Hi, I'm Abdul, developer advocate at Okteto, and welcome to the FastAPI and Okteto series. In this series, I will be building a guestbook API directly in Okteto using Okteto's remote development environments. What are remote development environments? This, is powered by Kubernetes first. It's an environment where you build your application and can see the changes or the behavior of your application as you build this. This is done remotely. That is, it eliminates the need for tools like Docker and Docker Compose. The remote development environment allows you to observe and see your application as you build them directly by the automatic synchronization that we have equipped our development environments with. In simple words, remote development environments here in Okteto are environments that enable you see your changes in a what you see is what you get. Why do you need these remote development environments? Traditionally, when you have an application in production and you want to make changes, we run it locally. You build it locally first. It works. You build an image using Docker Compose, and then you start it. It looks fine. Then you push it to your CI/CD server. Your CI/CD server evaluates if there's an error. Then you have to make changes again and build this image. Now, if you have 10 errors, it means you have to rebuild 10 to 11 times. How can you eliminate this process? How can you reduce the workload of this process? That is why we have remote development environments here in Okteto. These remote development environments automatically synchronizes your changes. And when you kickstart a development environment, a public endpoint is given to you where you can view your application. In the next video, we will see how this works. Remote development environment, once again, makes development easier as changes made in your application is automatically synchronized with that in your Okteto cluster, thereby allowing you to see the changes in your application as you build. So if your application looks fine in Okteto's development environment, it is going to look the same way when you deploy to production. This development environment reduces the risk of having to rebuild your images at multiple stages and errors at production. In this series, like I mentioned earlier, I'll be building a guestbook API in Okteto. So we're going to leverage the power of development environments along with other features like preview environments, data cloning, and so on and so forth. I'll give a recap of what we did in the introductory video here. So once again, welcome to the FastAPI and Okteto series. I will be building a guestbook API directly in Okteto using the Okteto's development environment. Okteto's development environment allows you and I to build our applications directly in Kubernetes. So I can see my applications changes as I build them. I do not have to build image every time if I can see these changes, which is amazing. It eliminates the need for tools like Docker and Docker Compose, meaning it can work on any machine, irrespective of what's built. And I can use a Docker Compose manifest, which we'll be using in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.